Hello, welcome to my channel Indianish. Why Indianish? I am a proud Indian. My name is Nishant. Indianish. Namaskara. Before I walk you through about my content creation, I feel that it is very important to know about the creator of the content. I'm currently working as a network test engineer in United Kingdom. I love traveling, exploring different places, trying different food cuisines across the world, and meeting new people every day, and of course, filmmaking. The biggest dream of my life is to become a full-time traveler. That's the main reason I choose YouTube as a platform where I can put in all my skills, all my creativity in one place and fulfill my dreams as well as my pockets. My YouTube channel has been recently reviewed and given the feedback as reused, and hence today I'm here to walk you through my content creation and give you the assurance that all the content which are uploaded in my YouTube channel are created only by me. Starting with the accessories, I mainly use iPhone 13 Pro Max and iPhone 15 Pro Max to shoot all of my videos. Since most of the videos are shot outdoors, I use DJI mic to record my voice. I have a subscription with Epidemic Sound since 2023, and all the best suitable songs, background musics and also the sound effects which are suitable for my YouTube videos are picked from here. I use Canva application for the YouTube thumbnails. I'm very well aware that thumbnails are very important to reach the right audience, and hence I will give enough time to prepare one. And finally, the very important selfie stick cum tripod. So most of my videos are shot outdoors and I don't like to carry huge equipments while traveling. Main equipment I use is this, can be used as the selfie stick as well as the tripod, and also I will try to utilize the natural resource. For example, this is a huge tree over here, so we have a little bit space here. I'm going to keep my mobile here and I will show you how I will use my tripod cum selfie stick. Hi, hello, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. This is how I always love to start my video. I always try to give the best visual experience to all my audience. If you observe this video, you can watch me clearly walking in this video, and also the background point of view is clearly visible and it covers almost everything. That's me capturing the video while running. Using this selfie stick, I can capture myself in a different angles, and this will be very helpful for me as I travel solo most of the times. And all I got to do here is the basic adjustment while editing the video, which gives a very good output. Most of the times when I shoot my video, I will try to use my creativity, my brain and the basic common sense. While filming, the most important thing I will concentrate on is the framing. So if you see this, I'm shooting my apartment. So the main thing I'm concentrating here is the frame. I am very much confident about taking the stable shot using my bare hands instead of using the gimbal. And finally, where the magic happens is the editing. So for editing, I extensively use VN editor. For all the video narrations, I will stick to the basics. I will always concentrate on the placement of the video, cut the video at the right place, and use the basic transactions, use the visual effects wherever it is necessary. Also, placing the right background music from the Epidemic Sound, and also the voiceover wherever it is required, using the right fonts, and mainly the color grading. I will always try to avoid myself overdoing the color grading because the video looks ugly. I will just do whatever the video takes. Coming to the content creation, I created this channel with the goal of offering viewers a unique virtual travel experience. Rather than focusing on the usual tips, tricks, and suggestions found elsewhere, I aim to provide content centered around genuine experiences. My approach involves documenting spontaneous moments that stand out to me while traveling. The content I share covers a wide range of topics including food, places, movies, and insightful conversation with interesting individuals from India who share their knowledge. Additionally, I am in collaboration with multiple Indian community people over here, where I cover cultural events in the UK when invited by the community members, which not only enhances my social skills but also helps me personally to develop my valuable management abilities while volunteering at the large events. My upcoming series will feature Experience the UK with Parents and my experience in the UK as an Indian. ನಾವಿವಾಗ ಡಬಲ್ ಡೆಕ್ಕರ್ ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋವೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I would like to conclude this video by saying that I have not reused any other's content as my main video. There are few videos in my YouTube channel where I am not present as they are pure collaborations with the Indian community events. However, those videos were shot and edited by me with the participants' consent.